In this video today, we will talk about the pre-screen qualify feature that the WeTreat app has. The reason why you would use this is, say you send out the patient invitation link to a patient and you want them to fill out all the questions first, their goal, they can upload anything, and then you want it to stop before it is triggered for a prescriber to review. In certain cases, clinics want this if they want to attach their labs first, if they want to review all the medical history and make sure everything is completed correctly. Or if you want it to stop and educate the patient, maybe invoice the patient first for the consultation, that's where you would use the pre-screen feature. So when you log in as clinic owner, you're going to go over to settings. From there, we will head to the goals. So I'm going to click services, scroll down and click goals. You will notice for each of the goals, I'm going to click on this one, increase my energy level. And you will see this toggle, screen GFEs before prescriber review. So this can toggle on or off. If it is on, that means after the patient fills out all their information and signs the consents, it stops and it waits for the office staff member to review the medical history and mark that patient as qualified. The office can upload any documents, any labs, and then once the office member marks the patient as qualified, then it gives that consultation information visible for the prescriber to review. Show you how to mark the patient as qualified, so that way you can send the consultation to the prescriber, like nurse practitioner, PA, or MD, to approve the patient and complete the GFE. From here, you're going to go to patient, go to GFE status, and mark this patient as qualified. Once it is qualified, it will then be available for the prescriber's review.